Well, Stop the Spread came about as a result of, obviously, the lockdown. Within days, I found myself talking about Stop the Spread. It was something that just completely was a natural fit to the business. And before we knew it, we had a complete initiative in place and a complete campaign to protect the workforce and get back to work. I was completely all over this. This was something that I couldn't leave to chance. We needed to protect our people. And I think as a company that's been totally into safety, well-being, mental health, and all of the sort of hygiene standards that we have in Lucas. But the reality is that as an industry, we needed to look at what we were doing, and that resulted in new procedures on site operating procedures, something that the industry needed to very quickly adapt to. Stop the Spread is a complete wide remit in all areas. We've got a company doctor, we've got PPE, we've got hand sanitizer, we've been almost turned into a medical type fit-out company, you could say. So we decided to build our own hand wash stations, our hand sanitizer stations, for all of our projects, for all of our office facilities. Before long, I found that everyone was saying to me, Danny, can we have 10 of these? Can we have 50 of these? Everyone wanted protecting, and of course, with foresight, we realised that we were reaching beyond the Lucas needs, if you like, and actually creating something that everybody could benefit from. And the result of that is the Stop the Spread stations that you see. Well, this is a fantastic piece of joinery, hand-built, sprayed in a very, very high-gloss, white, clean, hygienic, clinical finish. Branded, of course, Lucas, Stop the Spread. It's all about the message. You get a lockable cupboard that you can actually put the hand sanitizer in. You've got a pump dispenser. There's a QR code on the inside that you can reorder next day deliveries. For me, it wasn't just about buying an off-the-shelf hand sanitizer, it was about manufacturing properly to standards that were approved. We've gone and got EN 1500 certification and testing, which is a recognised standard internationally. This needed to be to a minimum 80% alcohol content so that it actually kills the viruses and does what it says on the tin. We wanted to make sure that the whole industry was supplied endlessly with what will be needed under what we call the new normal. This isn't going away. This is something that for the next 6 months, 9 months, possibly a year, we will have to adopt as an industry. And I needed to think big, and I wanted to make sure that we were covered for the long term, because we can't afford to run out, otherwise we don't work and we don't protect people. What we are doing though is we're providing free stations to NHS, care homes, and we're putting them into places where people need that protection as a good cause. The idea is that we're not looking to promote this as a sort of online sales thing. We're not trying to be a safety company capitalising on coronavirus here. This is something that is helping others. We've got partners, suppliers, builders, merchants, DIY merchants, we've got construction sites, and we want to obviously encourage people to have these on the projects. Of course, if individuals want them, they can always buy one online, but we're certainly not looking to promote that. It's all about protecting the infrastructure.